Chapter 12 Friction. Reducing or minimizing friction. Why we need to minimize the friction? As we know that in some situations friction is undesirable and we need to minimize it. Less friction increases the efficiency. Ways of reducing friction. There are 4 ways by which we can reduce the friction. Number 1, by using lubricants. Number 2, by using wheels. Number 3, by using ball bearings. Number 4, by polishing. Number 1, by using lubricants. What are lubricants? The substances which reduce friction are called lubricants. Oil, grease, and graphite are lubricants. Examples: sprinkling of fine powder on carom board reduces friction, so a coin moves easily on carom board. Number 2, use of oil on the hinges of a door reduces friction, so the door moves smoothly. Number 3, use of grease between moving parts of a machine of bicycles and motors reduces friction to increase efficiency. In all these examples, the fine powder, oil, grease are the substances which reduce the friction. So these substances are lubricants. Action of lubricants. When a lubricant is applied between the moving parts of a machine, a thin layer is formed there and moving surfaces do not directly rub against each other. The thin layer fills irregularities of the surface. Interlocking of irregularities is avoided to a great extent. Movement becomes smooth. Second way is by using wheels. Many heavy objects like big suitcases are provided with small wheels to reduce friction. When one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance to its motion is called rolling friction. Rolling reduces friction. There is one activity. Take few pencils which are cylindrical in shape. Place them parallel to each other on the table. Place a thick book over it. Now push the book over it. You observe the pencil rolling as the book moves. You feel it easier to move the book in this way than to slide it. You think that resistance to motion of the book has been reduced. It is always easier to roll than to slide a book over another. That is the reason it is convenient to pull luggage fitted with rollers. Number 3, by using ball bearing. Ball bearing is a hollow circular device containing small metal balls that are fitted around the moving parts of a machine like an axle. When ball bearing is fitted with the moving parts of a machine called an axle, the ball bearing rotates and the metal balls rolls on and reduces the friction. It reduces the friction by converting sliding friction into rolling friction. Number 4, by polishing. When the surfaces are highly polished, the irregularities of the surfaces are covered and the surface becomes smooth. Consequently, friction is greatly reduced.